collection. It will be having ordered and unindexed. It is unordered and unindexed. Sets are written in curly brackets. Sets are written in curly brackets. Okay. So if you see the example fruits, if you see the example fruits, it is a set. It will be having, so that is used to store multiple items in a single variable. In Python, you will be having different collections like list, tuple, dictionary, and set. Say it is unordered and unindexed. Okay, unordered means we can write. You can see in this example fruits: apple, banana, cherry. It can be interchanged randomly. We can write. It's not like that. It must be apple must be in the beginning. Okay, banana must be in the second place. It's not like that. We can interchange. We can interchange. Say now directly we are going to study about the methods which support sets. Okay, so for example, if I want to insert one more element, we will be using method like add. We'll be using method like add. What are the element we want to insert that needs to be inserted by using double quotes or single quotes. Double quotes or single quotes. Okay, we may use single quotes also. I'll show you when I execute that. Say if I print the fruits after adding orange, you'll get orange, apple, cherry, and banana. Okay, that is about the add method. Add method is used to add the element to the set. Okay, are you following, Usha? Respond me yes or no. Okay. You see the next example is clear. Okay, clear, what it does, it removes all the elements. It removes apple, it removes banana, it removes cherry. Say for example, after fruits dot clear, it clears the entire set. If I print the fruits, we will get nothing. We will get nothing. Similarly, copy will return the copy of the set. Okay, so fruits copy, we are copying into X. The variable fruit, it is having the elements like apple, banana, and cherry. We are copying into X. Say after that when we print X, we will get all the elements that were there in the set. Similarly, difference will give you similar to your set operations. Similar to your set operations, if you see the set operations, if you remember, in the mathematics, if you remember the mathematics, we'll be having difference. It's like this: if it is set A plus B, okay, similarly A minus B, similarly A union B, okay, similarly A intersection B, intersection, okay, intersection, okay, in the reverse of reverse of u, like this. Say this is the second one is difference. The second one is difference. If you see the example, if you see the example here, in the x set we are having apple, banana, and cherry. Similarly, y is having Google, Microsoft, and Apple. Okay, now the difference of y, if you print z, okay, we'll get cherry and banana, cherry and banana, cherry and banana. Okay, that is present in X. Okay, but that is not present in Y. The elements which are present in X but that are not present in Y. Okay, that is the meaning here. Similarly, different update. The next method is different update. Removes the items that exist in both the sets. Okay, say for example, you see the apple here, you see the apple, it is there in both the sets. Okay, so it will be removed, it will be removed. Okay, similarly, the next method is discard. The discard removes the specified item. Say for example, if I want to remove the banana from the fruits, okay, we can use fruits dot discard. Okay, say we can execute few of them. We can execute few of them. Say close. I'll start from here. I have opened PyCharm. I have opened PyCharm. Say I'll copy the same things. I'll copy the same thing. The fruit. Say this entire Python will go like this only with sets and all. I'll go here. I'll paste here. Now you see here fruits. Two times. I have copied two times. I'll delete this. Okay, when I run this, you see there, I have declared a set. I have declared a set which has apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಉಷಾ? ಇದೀರಾ ಉಷಾ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಎನಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್? ಆರ್ ಯು ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್? Okay, you see here for fruits we are having apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, I have added orange. Now I have added orange. Now I'll try to print that. Try to print that. Say I will I'll go for run and tuition time. I'll click on the file tuition time. You see there? Okay, somewhere I have opened something else. I need to comment this. This is for the class I was preparing. Say or run. I clicked on run. We got orange as inserted. Similarly, say I want to add one more fruit. One more fruit. Okay, can you give me example of any fruit, Usha, other than this? Orange is there already. Grapes. Okay, good. You see there, I'm inserting grapes into the list. Say grapes. Okay, now I'll run this. Now what we need to do, I'll come here, I'll paste here. Now I'll run it. You see the grapes, we'll be getting grapes. Okay, grapes added here. Similarly, we can add n number of elements. So the method name is add. Okay, now I'll go to the next example. It is removes. Okay, we want to clear all the things. If you want to clear all the things means, okay, say if you want to clear all the things, I'll come here, fruits dot clear. Okay, now again I'll print. Print fruits. Okay, now I'll run here. See here, we are getting the type of fruits. It is set. It is an empty set. Okay, this was the print of the previous this print. Okay, now after clearing we will get nothing. So clear will remove all the elements. So I will comment this. Next, copy. It copies. Okay, say we want to copy that one to x, a variable x. Say I'll take fruits dot copy to stall. Okay, I'll take the example as stall. Now I'll print stall. Now I'll run this. You see there, we got okay, the stall. After copying we got stall. So I'll comment this so that you can get the clarity. You see there, after copying to the stall. Okay, we are printing the stall. Stall is the variable which is having orange, apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, we can print in one more way. For loop, by using for loop. Okay, fruit in fruits. Okay, Let me try in this way. Now print fruit, print fruit. Okay, by using the for loop. This is by using the for loop. You see there, we got by using the for loop. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಉಷಾ? Okay. Now the next method is difference. The next method is difference. Let me go for any other example. Let me go for any other example. Difference. Okay. So I'll comment this for difference. Say I'll take set one. Okay. I'll take set one. Say for the set one, I'll take A, B. It's a set of characters. It's a set of characters. Now I will include one. I will include one. Now I'll copy this. I'll copy this. I'll create one more set. I'll create one more set. Control V. Now the set name is set 2. Okay. So I'll be adding a. Say I'll be removing this. I'll be removing this. Okay. Now what will be the difference of set 1 dot set 2? Print set 1 dot set 2. Okay. Set 1 dot difference of set 2. Difference of, we need to use a difference, the method difference of set 2. Okay, I think this is the way. You see here, for the difference, what we need to do, x difference y, x difference y. So what will be the output we may get, Usha? You see the example here. Okay, see, good. You see here, you will get C, because that is present in set 1 only. It is not present in set 2. Okay, now if I run this, we got C. Okay, similarly, if I interchange, say this is set 2 and this is set 1, this is set 1. It is like set 2 minus set 1. Okay, it is like this. Now if I'll comment this. Okay, now I'll come here, I'll give D here, I'll give D, an extra character D. Now I'll run this. I'll run this. We will be getting D. Okay, we'll be getting D here. Okay, that is present in D, but it is not present in set 1. Okay, that is the meaning. Now after this, difference update. Okay, the next method is difference update. Okay, now I'll do this. I'll copy this. I'll come here. I'll paste here. Now difference update. Now what is the mistake? Is there any mistake, Usha? You see the method name. The method name here is difference underscore update. Okay, now what I have typed here, difference update. Okay, good Usha. Now here we need to give underscore, difference underscore. Now you run this. Okay, and you see the difference. Difference update. Now if you see the example here, what it does is removes the items that exist in both the sets. Difference update removes the items that exist in both the sets. Okay, now A and B need to be removed. A and B need to be removed. You see the example here. Okay, let me take you the same example. I'll come here. I'll comment this. I'll paste here. I'll run here. Now I'll run it. So you see there, banana and cherry. Okay, that is there in only in X. Okay, we are updating the X set with the uncommon one. Okay, apple is removed because apple is present in Y also. That is the thing here. That is the thing. Okay, difference update. Matching element is removed. So I'll come here. I'll comment this. Now I'll go to the next example. It is discard. Okay, the name itself says we can remove any element. We can remove any element. Okay, now I'll come here. I'll paste here. Now I'm removing banana. I'll remove banana. Okay, so I'll give single quotes. Okay, let me try with single quotes. You see there? We have removed banana. Say similarly, if I want to remove cherry, we can write cherry. Okay. Now run this. So you see there, cherry has been removed. Okay. Now I'll go here. I'll comment this. Discard. That is a discard method. Similarly, intersection. The next method is intersection. It gives you the element which is common for both. In this example, apple is present in both the things. Okay, this is to the set intersection. Okay, the name itself suggests. Okay, control C. All these are very basic things. If I run this, we'll get. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to print Z. Okay, I'll run this. We got apple because apple is present in both the things. Now I'll add one more element. Okay, say strawberry. Okay, strawberry. Now I'll come here. I'll add here also. Now we'll get both the things, strawberry and apple. That's about. See here, strawberry and apple. We got both. Okay. Now intersection update removes the items that is not present in both the X and Y. Okay. You see here, banana also it is removed and cherry also it is removed. Similarly, Google also removed and Microsoft is also removed. That's what the intersection update is. Okay, that's what the intersection update is. Okay, whichever the element that is not present is removed. Okay, apple is there, so it has been left, or else it could have been removed, that one also. So for example, I'll try this. Now what will be the output of this one? Say I'll comment this shift ash. Okay, now I'll come here. Now what will be the output of this, Usha? Apple and strawberry. Good. You see here. So what is the mistake? Name error. What is the mistake, Usha? Name Z is not defined. Okay, missing. Good. See here, we must write Z. Okay, now I'll run this. You see there, none. Or we may use we may put this entire thing here, print. So what may be the mistake, Usha? We need to print only X. We need to print only X. After this, we need to print only X. In the X, we'll be having those elements which are present in both. You see there, strawberry and apple is present in both the sets X and Y. So those elements will be retained here. Those elements will be retained. Okay. Now the next method is in the is joint, is disjoint. Okay, it returns true or false whenever we say is, any function that begins with is, okay, that will return true or false, that will return true or false. Okay, now you see here we are having is, that's why it will return true or false. It will return true if no items in set X present in set Y. Okay, if it is no element is common, means you will get true, else we will get false. Okay, in this case you can see there no element is present in both the sets. Okay, so I'll copy the same thing. I'll comment this disjoint. Okay, this example is for disjoint. Now say I'll add one more fruit. Okay, say I'll add guava. Okay, now what will be the output, whether it is true or false, Usha?